These are my favorite three sunscreens till now. FaceGuard is suitable for oily skin, Requil for sensitive, oily or normal skin, Velo Photo stable for almost all skin types except sensitive. These are my favorites because they have provided me ultimate protection. It's trial and tested. I have repurchased them too. Now today I am going to review this 4 sunscreen and obviously going to compare with my favorites. Coming to Fixterma, it is a hybrid sunscreen. The application is a dream come true, suitable almost for all skin types. But it has loads of fragrance. India is a hot and humid place where people tends to sweat a lot, even during winters if they are outside. Water resistant property is perhaps one of the most important criteria for our country and should be considered while formulating any sunscreen for our country. In this video, I'll be showcasing that all sunscreen in this video are certified. And yes, as you could see, Fixterma didn't qualify under water resistant property. Reapplication is highly recommended for such sunscreens. It is suitable for all skin types except sensitive skin and those having damaged skin barrier. Now, I would personally use it for the indoors, and obviously I won't recommend for long-term use because it has fragrance which is high, and if you're tight on a budget having no skin issues whatsoever and you don't exfoliate, I think you could go for this one. Coming to minimalist sunscreen, and this is the Silmarine sunscreen SPF 60. This has good filters along with titanium dioxide. It has a slightly thick consistency. However, if you blend it, it doesn't leave any white cast whatsoever. And as you could see, it doesn't leave, it's minimal and it doesn't leave any white cast. Now, let's check the water resistant property, but it fails miserably, which makes it suitable for indoors. If you are wearing it outside, reapplication is needed. However, there's a big problem with this sunscreen. It peels for me. It peels when I apply it along with other moisturizer. It peels for me when I apply it alone. I've included closer shots so that it's visible to you, and yes, this is how it peels. Okay, reapplication is not possible. It works for few skin types. It doesn't peel for some people. It is good for indoors, normal to oily skin type. As it peels for me, I am not recommending this. Completely personal opinion, and obviously it can happen that you have a different opinion. Coming to minimalist sunscreen, which is SPF 50. Now, this doesn't peel. That's a good news. And yeah, it has minimal white cast. There's no white cast if you blend it properly, as you can see. But yeah, this takes time to blend. I felt this is quite like time consuming. However, let's check the water resistant property. Obviously, it fails in that as well. And obviously then it is suitable for indoors, but if you are using it outside, reapplication is necessary. However, it doesn't peel, so that's good news. And you can see the close-up shot, it doesn't peel. However, this does have retinol in it. Reapplication is possible and works for almost all skin types, and it is good for indoor use. If you are comfortable using a retinol, if you're not planning to get pregnant, I will recommend this sunscreen. I hope the retinol present in the ingredient list doesn't harm your skin in the daytime. I think they might have taken care of the formulation anyways. Coming to Earth Rhythm sunscreen, hybrid sunscreen. Thankfully, they have changed their packaging and I am excited to try out the new packaging. However, yes, I have not yet ordered because this has a lot of sunscreen left and I need to use it. And yeah, it blends easily, and yes, it does give a dewy finish. Now let's check the water resistant property for this sunscreen. Obviously it fails, and I think it is expected from all fluid sunscreens and they're bound to fail. But India is a tropical country and it's a humid place. We tend to sweat a lot. Now reapplication is possible and it works for almost all skin types except very oily. Good for indoor use. If you're using it outside, then please do reapply it. Now, I was very sick and had actually slept with the sunscreen on. The next day, my skin really looked dull and dark. Not sure why, but I just thought of sharing. Now, coming to my favorite sunscreen, Requil and FaceGuard. These are my favorites because I have used them outside. I have tested them thoroughly and they have given me ultimate protection. These two are my favorites because they actually are water resistant. As you could see, I'll show you. in this video clip. They are completely water resistant, stays for a completely long time. Yeah, I mean, they might be a bit sticky if you're not used to silicone sunscreen. I think you might feel uncomfortable, but this gives ultimate protection. You need to double cleanse these two kinds of sunscreen. But yes, obviously it's a personal choice and it's up to you to decide which one works best for you and which one you are actually using in the long term. So yes, by the way, Bello Phytostable is also not water resistant. I have tested it and it is suitable more for the indoors. But if you are using it outside, yes, you have to reapply it more frequently. And yes, that was all about today's video. I think I don't know whether it was informative enough for you and whether you can decide which one to buy. Yeah, please do comment below which one you are planning to buy. By the way, if you're new to my channel, this is me and those hands were mine. And yes, obviously you can like this video, comment down below and share with your friends and subscribe to my channel.